Hello, this is Witchlight Studios. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be making these cute little firefly bugs. All right, let's jump into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Sprite, click New. We're going to go to 9 pixels. We're going to set it by 9 pixels by 9 pixels. Make sure your layer is set to transparent. Hit OK. Scroll in. The first thing we're going to do is create a new layer. So we're going to hit Shift N for new layer. We're going to name the first layer by double click on it, name it Glow. And the second layer is going to be called Bug. Now, we're going to do this in 3 frames in total, 2 frames for the flying animation, 1 for the dead animation. And so we're going to hold Alt, press N again, or you can go over here and right click on it and create, up here on the timeline, and create a new frame, but Alt N, and we're going to do it one more time. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So we're going to delete these extra layers because we don't need them. The only layer that we're going to be working on right now is actually the glow layer. So we're going to go find an orange or a yellow. Let's start in a yellow. I think the standard index, 32 number for this color palette, which is the default one for Sprite, is magnificent. It doesn't really matter what it is. Here's the color code if you need it. But what we're going to do is we're going to set the alpha transparency by clicking on this. We're going to set it to 25. We're going to press Enter and click on this little red guy to get the transparent pixel. So we're going to hold Control and zoom or scroll up with the mouse wheel until we get a 9 by 9, as you can see up here, 9 on our brush. We're going to left click, put that sucker down, and that's our glow for our bug. Now, depending on your game, you might want it to be a less of a glow or more of a glow, and I'll let you kind of play with those as you like. Also, you can do this in grayscale, so that way you can change the color of the bug inside the engine that you're using on the fly, making sort of different color bugs and kind of give them different glows. But we're going to do it the simple way today. So we're going to click on Bug, and now that we're on the bug layer, we're going to hold Control and zoom or scroll out until we get to 1 pixel. We're going to put it right in the center. And so this is the bug's body. The next thing we need is the bug's wings, and we're just going to put a square to the up, left, up, right. That's it. In the next frame, we're going to go over to, in the animation, we're going to go to the center again and put the orange sprite down. Boop. And then we're going to put the wings at its side. So now when we press the go button, the play button, we have the glow on the first frame and we don't have it on the second frame. So between the two, it looks like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to grab these two, holding Shift and clicking on both of them. We're going to right click, we're going to create a tag, and this is flying. So anytime it's flying or idling, this is the animation we want to play. Now we're going to loop it. I run this at about 12 frames a second when I'm doing it on my game. And so you might find similar success if you like that how fast it flaps, or you can do it however you like. But here it is. So between the 2 frames, it's going pretty quick. And on the final frame, because we're not going to have glow when our bug dies. So we're going to go to the middle, drop it down by 1, and then we're going to go ahead and sort of gray out this this color here. So what I want to do is kind of come down here and go a little bit more to the left towards the grays, still keeping some of that color. Going to add that color in and do it like that. Now, if you want to, you could also darken up the base of the sprite. So, we can, that's a little much. Maybe come over here. There we go. We kind of dim it out. More like that. That's perfect. So then when it dies, it just sort of, well, we don't want to cycle through all of it, just these two. So it'll be flying. And then that's what it looks like when it dies. And then you just destroy the sprite after the creature dies, or let it fall to the ground, whatever you want to do. Well, that's it. Hopefully this tutorial helped you to create amazing little bugs. You can do this with orbs and other things, and hopefully this technique works for you. All right, have a good day.